Okay, we're going to show you some really cool, interesting keyboard tips that you can use to watch your YouTube videos. First of all, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up this window over here on the right-hand side. We're going to go all the way down to keyboard shorts. All right, so now I'm going to slide this over just a little bit and I'll pull this over here. So here, if you do a toggle play pause, you can hit K and it'll pause. If you want to jump backwards 10 seconds, you hit J. If you want to go fast forward 10 seconds, you hit L. If you want to go to the previous frame while paused, you hit the comma. If you want to go to the next frame forward, you hit the period button. Some of them you're not going to use, all right? But you know, some of them you are. If you want to do a full screen, you hit F. If you want to do theater mode, you hit T. If you want to hear a mini player, you hit I. If you want to close the mini player or the current dialogue, you hit escape. If you want to mute it, hit M. So all of these are kind of, you know, ones that you've heard about. Spherical videos, I'm not sure about that. But let's try one. All right, so let's go to a video and let's stop it and let's see if we can move it from the previous frame and to the next frame by using the comma and the period. So I've got another one open over here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this video up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this Kurt Jumps video, and what I need to do is pause it at some point, and then we're going to test our comma and our period movement. So let's go to the previous. So I'm going to go to my keyboard, I'm going to hit my comma, and it should bring it back. And as you can see, it's pulling the subject backwards. So now you can, there he is, that's Kurt, my friend. Now I'm going to hit the period and move it forward. So that works pretty good. Now let's go back to our other page. And here's one, you can rewind it 10 seconds or you can fast forward it 10 seconds. That's not going to help because I think this video is only 9 seconds long. All right, so now I'm going to go down to, let's go to the monarch butterfly one. This is a cool video. I found a monarch butterfly down by the lake. Of course, we got to wait for this ad to play through. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up and we're going to hit F and we're going to bring it to full screen. And then we're going to try a number of the different keyboard shortcuts that we can use to move it around. So let's go to F. I'm going to hit F. And that gives us our full screen. And now remember, it's paused. And let's say you're looking for a shot for a thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the period key, and it moves it forward one frame at a time until you find that perfect shot that you want to use. To go backwards, you hit the comma, and it takes you back one frame at a time until you find that perfect spot again. So F is for full screen. Now I'm going to hit escape and see if it brings us back. That's the way you're going to get back. So if you want to go to full screen, you hit F. It brings you to full screen. Then if you want to go back to the mini screen, I recommend hitting escape because when I hit I, it just destroyed it and put it right back to the regular YouTube open page. So that's how you use those. Let's take a look at some of the other more interesting ones. So the pause, K, but you know what? To pause it, I just hit the space bar. To rewind 10 seconds, let's try that one. All right, so let's go ahead and play this forward. And I'm going to just pull it forward here. And I'm going to stop it. Now, to rewind this 10 seconds, let's get rid of this ad. I go back over here. Let's take a look what we have to do. To rewind 10 seconds, we hit J. So let's go in here and let's just hit J. Now let's watch that red line. Brought it back to here. All right, now over here, if we want to go forward, fast forward 10 seconds, we hit, it looks like it's L or I. So we'll try both of those. All right, let's try the L first. All right, so we want to do, if we want to go backwards, we're going to press L. If we want to go forward, we're going to press J. Let's go another forward. Now let's go backwards, 10. So this way you can go L and J to move 10 seconds in the video. So let's say I'm trying to find a good screenshot. Bam, I got this one right here. So now I've got a good place for the screenshot if I want to do one. And And then we can take and we can make the video full by hitting F. So we go F, and it fills the whole screen. Now, all we have to do is hit play, and there we go. Now we want to go backwards. Do we hit J or L? I don't remember. It looks like it's J. Want to go forward? We hit L. Now we want to get out of this to the mini screen. We go to Escape. And that's how you use these shortcuts. There's a bunch of them in there, but the ones that are most useful are the rewind, J, the fast forward, L, and then to do individual frames, you use your comma and your period. And that can get you to a good spot where you can get a nice a screenshot if you're looking for a good screenshot. If you want to go full screen, you hit F. And again, if you want to go to back to your mini player, hit Escape. Don't hit I. When you hit I, it drives you out of there. All right, and then if you want to mute it, you just hit M for mute. And those are some easy keyboard shortcuts that you can use for YouTube. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on YouTube and how to use it and shortcuts and just about anything you can think of technology-wise. iPhones, Final Cut Pro, Mac, Apple products. I do it all. So that's pretty much it. All right, see you next video.